Hey guys, it's me, Ate Alex Jana TV. Shout out everyone. And to this video, gagawa tayo ng chicken tocino. Ayan. So, first of all, ito yung chicken breast natin. Chicken breast tocino, yan guys. Slice nyo maliliit lang so far. And, kailangan malinis na malinis yan. So, meron siyang garlic, meron siyang black pepper, yan. May lemon, syempre, soy sauce, brown sugar, and we have also lemon. So, ganyan lang siya, guys. And then, we will make mix lang, yan. I-yoga mo, Ate Alex, yun, charot. So, ano natin to siya guys, i-marinate natin siya until tomorrow morning. Yan. Bilang OFW, kailangan nating maging madiskarte. Ayan. So, hindi mo na kailangan bumili. How naman if kung meron tayong napapanood. Ayan. So, we need to try it. Ito ang pinaka-ano niyan guys, yung ating, meron din siyang ketchup. Yes. Brown sugar, ketchup, lemon, black pepper, garlic, and toyo. Wag lang yung toyo ni Alex ha, kasi pag ang toyo ni Ate Alex ang gumana, patay kang bata ka. Ayan. So, ang gagawin natin guys is kukuha tayo ng ating lalagyan. Ayan. Ito, dito natin siya ilalagay. Ayan. Sinasama ko kasi hindi ko alam kung saan ko yan ilalagay. So far, i-organize natin yung chicken breast yan ha. Like what it sit. Like that guys. So, ayan. May malasang malasa. Kasing lasa niya. Kung ang lasa mo ay masarap, so far so good. Try me. And do it for me. Ayan. Yung ating lemon and ang ating chicken breast with garlic. Yan. Kung mayroon kayong honey, huwag na yung stress na honey. Ang gagawin nyo guys is sweet honey. Yan. So far. And then, tomorrow morning, ito ay ating ipiprito. Yan. Masarap siya. Lagyan nyo lang siya ng konting butter. Okay guys, so mega love shout out to everyone. Try me and you know will be who am I. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nakakapagod, you know guys, this past few days kasi is I'm not feeling well. So, I'm going back soon guys sa inyo pagwalwal to support you. Yan. Parang hindi na ako marunong kumanta you know. And yung ating sauce ay ganito sa aking mga kabatang. Let's go guys. Sorry, merong mga abubot doon. Pasensya na. But it's very clean naman guys, you know. Hindi naman tayo gagawa ng isang bagay na marumi. Parang sa YouTube lang yan. Yung maraming budol dyan. Malapit na kayong magpasko. Bingo! Yon. Charot. So, anyway, shout out to all of you and I love you. Mama, chuk. So, yung aking screen ay nagluloko na. And so far so good. I love you. Shout out everyone. Mwah. Ayaw niyang mag-off. Oh no, sayang yung aking video.